Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create a super handy WhatsApp web shortcut on your Google Chrome browser. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have instant one-click access to WhatsApp web. No more typing in the address every time you want to chat from your computer. This is perfect if you use WhatsApp for work, school, or staying in touch with friends and family throughout the day. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. Now, if you already have Chrome running, just head over to it. If not, find the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your applications and give it a click. This step sets the foundation for everything else. So make sure you're in Chrome, not another browser like Firefox or Safari. Once Chrome is open, the next move is to create a new tab. This is easy. You'll notice a tiny plus sign right at the top, next to your currently open tabs. Give that a click. Think of a new tab as a fresh page where you can start a new task, just like flipping to a blank sheet in your notebook. Now, in the address bar at the top, the long box where you'd normally type in a website, type WhatsApp, or if you want to be really precise, type webwhatsapp.com. This is the official page for WhatsApp Web. Press Enter on your keyboard, and the site will load up. If it's your first time using WhatsApp Web, it might prompt you to scan a QR code with your phone, but if you've used it before, it should load your chat list right away. Here's where we make life a whole lot simpler. Look to the right side of that address bar, the web address itself. There's a little star icon, which is Chrome's way of letting you save this page as a bookmark. Click on that star. It might feel like a tiny step, but this is the key to quick access in the future. Once you click the star, a small window pops up asking you where you want to save the bookmark. By default, it may say Other Bookmarks or something similar, but let's make it even easier to access. Click on the Folder dropdown and select Bookmarks bar. The Bookmarks bar is that strip right under your address bar. It's like a favorites shelf for your most used sites. Now, click Done to finish saving it. Don't worry if this window disappears quickly or if you accidentally click away. Just repeat the last step until you see WhatsApp Web appear on your Bookmarks bar. Take a look now at the top of your browser window. You should see a new WhatsApp Web shortcut right there on the Bookmarks bar, just waiting to be clicked. It's that quick access button you've been wanting. The best part is, anytime you need to open WhatsApp, all you have to do is click a new tab and then tap your WhatsApp bookmark. No more hunting through search engines or typing out the web address. Just one click and you're chatting, sharing, and staying connected. That's all there is to it. Creating a WhatsApp web shortcut in Google Chrome is quick and hassle-free, and it can save you a surprising amount of time each day. Remember, organizing your digital workspace is a little like cleaning your physical desk. Small changes can lead to big improvements in productivity and comfort. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more practical, easy-to-follow tech tips. If you have any questions or if you want to share your own shortcuts or workflow tricks, drop a comment down below. I read everyone and love hearing from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.